Alright, so today you can see my bike isn't very clean. It's actually pretty filthy, to be honest. We rode quite a bit this weekend, and so things happen. You get a little muddy, have some fun, and then after the weekend you have to clean it to get it working for next week. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to show you how to clean your bike, and I'm going to be mainly using two different products. They're both from the same company. You might know the name. Muc-off. This is their drivetrain cleaner, and supposedly does really good stuff with the drivetrain. And here is the fast action bike cleaner. Supposedly as well, really good working, really famous formula. So I'm going to see how well it works today and see if it lives up to the hype, and see how it works. Alright, see you later. Alright, so first I'm going to rinse the bike down, and then I'm going to wash the drivetrain. You just want to kind of agitate the dirt, not exactly get all of it off. That's what the stuff is for. Alright, now we can get to the good stuff, the drivetrain. So, what you do here is just squirt it all over the cassette, the chain rings, however many you have, the derailleur, and then wipe it with a brush once you're all, while you're spraying it. So, let's see how it works. So the reason I said not to rinse it is that the way this cleaner works is that it actually does most of the cleaning for you without water. So all you have to do is spray it on and let it soak for 45 minutes, and then come rinse it off after. So now I'm going to go do the frame, and yeah, so here we go. You just want to spray this everywhere except for the drivetrain, because we already did that. So.
This is the fat rat.
Now I'm done, and it looks pretty good. Now I have to lube the chain, and then I'll be completely done. It's shining real well. I'm actually really impressed with it. Yeah, that's my review. Since it was free, I honestly have to give it a 5-star for this, because just like, look at it. It's so shiny. Here. Let's get a flashlight. There's not really much dirt on there. That's just kind of a scratch. It's very clean. So, yeah. So this is the last thing I'm using for my drivetrain and bike clean. It's the muc-off ceramic lube, the C3. Premium for dry, so it's supposed to work for more dry conditions. So let's see what the instructions say. I don't know if you'll be able to read them or not. Okay, they're this way. See how this works. You don't want to ever overlube it, because then you're just wasting your stuff, and there's no point in doing that. And then after you lube it, just let it cycle a few times, probably like 30 or 40 times. Let it get all in the joints of the chain. Get some on the derailleur pulleys. And those bushings, or bearings, depending on what you have. Then I'll clean them up some, get them rolling nice and smooth. So, that's it. And then if you have any overlube, just wipe it right off and you'll be good. So, that's my bike washing video with the muc-off series of cleaners and lube. And I will see you guys next video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you next video. See ya.